Classic Truck Rescue. Today I'm doing a review on the Wild Badger 40 volt electric chainsaw. And I actually have a job that I need this to work for. I've already unboxed it. Give you the gist of what it comes with. The saw with the cover for the bar. Where did I put the battery? Comes with a big 40 volt battery, the charger, the manual, which is in my office, and a tool for removing the bar, tightening the chain, things like that. What I did notice about this that's different from some electric chainsaws is that it does have a reservoir for the bar oil to put in there, along with a sight level for looking through there and making sure you've got oil in it. I've already charged the battery up. Like I said, I need to use this today. We're putting this one right to work. So that's basically what you get in the box, along with the charger. Pretty simple. Slide the charger on, plug it in, put some oil in it. Also, one thing that I already noticed on this is I was showing Jamie, it's not working. It's not working. Well, this has a delayed action trigger on it, so it doesn't go till a second after you pull the trigger, which is probably a good idea for clumsy people like myself. Probably save you some grief, but I've got some big limbs that I need to take down. I'm going to get my bucket truck warmed up. We got to go up a ways. They're pretty good sized limbs. We'll see if the Wild Badger 40 volt electric chainsaw is up to the job. I'll be back. All right, I'm going out to test my Wild Badger 40 volt electric chainsaw. We're gonna go out there. And we're gonna take that with us. We'll see how this Wild Badger 40 volt electric chainsaw works. Well, it's certainly sharp. I'll give it that. Wow. This thing goes through the wood like butter, folks. I am not kidding. I think we're pretty good over here. I'm pretty impressed so far. Pretty impressed. It's doing what I need it to do. Yeah, it's working pretty good. We really test them here out on the Classic Truck Ranch, folks. We test them because we have to. We need the work done. My bucket won't go in right now, which is a little concerning to be this high up in the air in a piece of equipment that you know is malfunctioning. I'm pretty sure it's malfunctioning right now, and I'm up in here anyway, but I gotta get done. what I gotta get done. I'm just trying to get this stuff out of the way so I can get over there. See, now those are pretty big limbs, and this thing is mowing right through them, so I will give credit where credit's due. Okay, that helps. Now look how big around that is. That's like 5 inches, 6 inches across. Goes through it like butter. That's good. That's helpful. That's okay, you can ride along with me. Oh. It's a pretty good saw. Well, maybe I can finish my work while I'm up here. I gotta call Jamie to come rescue me. I think we're pretty good on the trimming. I would like to get that down there, but I can't go anywhere now. No innie, no outie, no righty, no lefty. Well, I guess I'll call my wife.
Hola.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm alright.
Oh, I'm not.
How are you?
Well, I've been better.
Uh-oh.
I'm stuck about 40 feet in the air right now. The bucket truck's not behaving.
Oh, so you need me to come get you down?
Yes, if you would, please.
Alright, let me get dressed.
All right, love you.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Can I leave you alone for 5 minutes without you getting in some kind of trouble?
No. There you have it, folks. The Wild Badger electric chainsaw. CS. Don't get old. CSB 400 Wild Badger electric chainsaw. 16-inch bar. It done me good. It did a good job for me, folks. The battery seems, I guess I could have done an endurance test on the 40-volt battery, but it did everything I needed to do, and it helped me get a job done that I needed to get done. The flame goeth away. My tank's empty. My propane tank just went empty. Anyway, it did a good job. It did a much better job than that old bucket truck did, leaving me stuck up there 40 feet in the air. I had to call my wife, Jamie, have her come rescue me. But it wasn't the saw's fault. The saw got its job done. Now, you're not going to want to go out and, if you got a 300 foot tall old growth maple, you're not going to go chop it down with this and buck it up into sections that you can split into firewood. But if you got a bunch of limbs on a tree that need to be dealt with, or some bushes that got to go bye or whatever, this is a good saw for that. I enjoy this. I like having this. It's a good tool to have in your arsenal, sitting up on a shelf. If you got something that's got to be cut now and you don't want to be mixing up gas and all of that, and you just want to go, bye-bye, this is for you. Thanks for watching. I'll put the link in the description of this video, and I'll put it right here too. Peace out.